The sentence in the courtroom. The public prosecutor's office may or can, in accordance with Article 11 of the first book of the Criminal Code of Curaçao, demand a penalty for a suspect. This can be several types of penalties. The public prosecutor's office can choose from imprisonment, at least 1 day, at the most 24 years, detention, at least 1 day, at the most 1 year, community service in the form of unpaid labor and/or training order, and a fine. As an additional measure, the public prosecutor's office can demand deprivation of certain rights and forfeiture of money and/or goods. The public prosecutor's office can finally also choose to demand an acquittal. It is ultimately the judge who decides which penalty the defendant will receive.